Good afternoon, everybody. I'm going to show you today how to use text analyzer from JSTOR. So from the page Google, you will Google SPU, which is Salt Lake University. Then you will click on library and you get the home page. Then you'll click on A to Z databases. You scroll down as it's alphabetic. You click on JSTOR. And once you get to JSTOR, you will see the database. If it requires you to sign in, you just sign in with your student number and your password for Moodle. Then this is the JSTOR. Then once you get there, you will go to Tools. Then you'll click on the drop down and you'll click on Text Analyzer. So what Text Analyzer does, it analyzes your paper, your research paper, your assignment. Then you have to upload it. So it will recommend articles relating to the keywords it picked up from your assignment or your research proposal. So you can just drag it from your PC onto the tool, or you can just click here and select file from your computer, and then you look for a Word document. You look for a Word document, and then I'm just looking for something. Okay, you look for a Word document that has your assignment or research paper. And once you have that, I'll just click on the Senate report. And then once you have that, it starts analyzing and identifying the topic keywords. Then after that, it will generate the recommendations it has. You can also add by clicking on the prioritized terms. Like if you see here on your right and left hand side, you can adjust the results by changing the weight of each term. School here, maybe you can decrease that. Information access is fine. Information technology, education, librarianship. Then if you go down, these are the terms that were identified from the paper. You can add, let's say for example, you want something more on academic libraries, information use, and also library science in general. Then it will give you the library users. So the more you click, it updates the research results. And then you will see if you scroll up again, it will give you the results there. So you have the contents that you can access from 1900 to 2003. You can also filter it because remember research is 5 years. So you can just type the 2019 to 2023, which is a 5-year gap. Then you can, it will adjust. So now can you see you only can access between 2019 and 2023. And then you'll see it'll give you chapters from books, it'll give you journals. It has all sorts of materials there, free article that you can download. Then you just look at the topics there, you look at the title, make your discretion to see if it's relating to your topic, and say for instance it does. Then you'll go on the right hand side, you can download the paper. If you download it, it's going to download onto your laptop. You just accept the terms and conditions there, and then you download. It'll download on your PC or on your mobile phone, depending what you're using. Then you can also cite the item. And remember, if it doesn't have the Harvard method, you can just use those examples and change the way the Harvard method cites. You can also export it to EndNote, reference, or Zotero, as we use Zotero. So you'll export to the Eros I file and click there. Then if you have the Zotero measurement tool downloaded on your desktop, then it will also save the paper there, or you can just click on the extension if you have the extension, and it will also upload your paper there. So instead of like being confused and not knowing where to start with your topic, you can always do that, and then you can use, and then also even the article, you can just click and scroll down to references, and then it will give you other relating topics on your similar to your topic. So you can also go through the references, and the references will assist you to get more articles on writing your assignments or your proposal or your research paper. So that is basically how you use Text Analyzer. And you also can get it on our LibGuides. The LibGuides for School of Nails, it's there on all the departments. So if you go on the LibGuides, you will find under referencing, you will find the Text Analyzer tool, which is very useful. Try it out and you can give feedback. There is a survey there on the LibGuides. Then you can just give it on how good it is. Thank you for watching, and I hope it is useful for you to use. Thank you.